Welcome to the Positioning Your CO Alarm video by Honeywell. Carbon monoxide, or CO, can be found in homes, caravans and boats. CO can come from any fuel-burning appliance that is faulty or not properly ventilated. Ideally, a CO alarm should be installed in every room where you have a fuel-burning appliance. These may be the living room, the kitchen, bedrooms, bathrooms, or boiler rooms. You should also install a CO alarm in any rooms where you spend a lot of time, especially bedrooms. If you have a fuel-burning appliance in more than one room and the number of alarms is limited, then rooms with flueless or open flue appliances should take priority. If the appliance is in a room that you don't normally use, for example a boiler room, you should put the alarm just outside the room so that it can be heard more easily. Caravans and boats may have additional CO risks. For example, fumes from nearby vehicles, engines, generators or barbecues could come in through air vents. In caravans and boats, fit a CO alarm in the same room as any fuel-burning appliance. Any sleeping accommodation, which is in a separate room from the fuel-burning appliance, should also have an alarm. Consider the following points when you decide where to put your alarm. In a room with a fuel-burning appliance, fit a ceiling-mounted alarm at least 300 mm from any wall. For a wall-mounted alarm, put it at least 150 mm from the ceiling and higher than any window or door. The alarm should be at a horizontal distance of between 1 metre and 3 metres from the nearest edge of the appliance. If there is a partition in the room, put the alarm on the same side of the partition as the appliance. If your room has sloped ceilings, put the CO alarm at the high side of the room. In bedrooms and in rooms without a fuel-burning appliance, put the alarm relatively close to your breathing zone, for example on a bedside table. In a bedsit, put the alarm as far from the cooking appliance as possible but near to where people sleep. The same rule applies for a caravan or boat with a single living space. In a caravan or boat, the two most important points are not putting the alarm directly above a source of heat or steam, and putting the alarm at a distance of 1 to 3 metres from the nearest edge of the appliance. An alarm should not be installed in an enclosed space, for example in a cupboard or behind a curtain, where it can be blocked, for example by furniture, next to a door or window, directly above a sink, close to a cooking appliance, next to an extractor fan or an air vent or other similar ventilation openings, anywhere where the temperature may drop below -10 degrees Celsius or exceed 40 degrees Celsius, where dirt and dust may block the sensor, or in a damp and humid location. Choose a higher standard of safety with Honeywell's X series. Together we can save lives.